Hi Peter, I thought a quick screencast video would be the best way to show how we get to the assignments. So going into the course at the announcements page, and we go to Grade Center in the control panel. So Grade Center will usually appear that way and you need to expand it. And then click on Full Grade Center. You can also click on Needs Grading. I usually find it easier just to go right to the Full Grade Center. Needs Grading would show you what hasn't been graded. So once I click on that, we get the grade board, and what the assignments function does is that it automatically creates a graded item column, so we don't even have to do that. And then for any particular assignment, however the instructor wants to name these, like I have A1, excuse me, this symbol indicates that that has not been graded, but it has been submitted. So to view it, I have to go here. And I'm clicking on attempt 1/24/18, so that's the date he submitted that. And then that'll take me to the page that allows me to see where his particular assignment is. In this case, it's a submitted file. They can also just put text right there. So then I'm going to go and open that file. And then at that point, I can work through it and see what the structure of the file is based upon what we asked them to do in that. The point totals are put here under attempt, and there's 5 points for each assignment, so it's not a whole lot. There's the potential to add feedback to the person. So then you just need to estimate what you think the point value is with regard to how well they did the assignment. In this case, my speculation is that if we get pretty close to what or if they get pretty close to what we're expecting, that would be 5 points. And then if there's issues, I would think that they would show up all along the way while we're grading. So there's 30 plus assignments, and if a student is habitually negligent or not doing it well, then a lower grade should show up there. In this screen, you can move on to the next student right up here where the arrow is, and it'll just go alphabetically, so you don't have to go back and forth to keep accessing what the student submitted. You can just go right down the line alphabetically. And again, put the grade in there. And then there's an exit button here, and there's no other submit button. I think when you hit exit, then it would take you back to the grade screen, and it would have a grade in there instead of an ungraded assignment. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.